This is the M News with my lightning. Good morning. A man has been charged over 5 arson attacks around Auckland from the middle of last year. The fires were lit mainly around Papakura at residential properties and started in July 2023. One of the arsons was in the public toilets at Newmarket train station last August. Detective Senior Sergeant Simeon Taylor, Counties Monaco South CIB, said the fires caused considerable damage. One of the fires Delawing occurred. Elderly was couples inside. Thankfully, a neighbour alerted them to the danger and they escaped without any harm. The fire in the Newmarket was to the public toilets, which caused a significant alarm being located within the train station on Sunday afternoon. A 33-year-old man is due to appear in Papakura District Court charged of arson. 6 young people have been arrested in Auckland after stealing a car and crashing into 3 others in central Auckland. Officers were called to a crash at the intersection of Great North Road and Ponsonby at about 6:45 on Wednesday. The car, allegedly stolen earlier in Parnell, has been seen speeding through intersections before crashing into a vehicle at the waiting light. The occupants fled on foot towards Titirangi Road. No one was injured. The vehicle involved was badly damaged. 2 16-year-olds one of them was the driver who was arrested. They'll appear in the Auckland District in the Auckland Youth Court on Thursday, and police will be opposing the bail driver. A truck allegedly grabbed a schoolgirl, Auckland schoolgirl, as she walked home on Tuesday. Police are investigating this concerning incident. Said it happened around South Titirangi near the intersection of Tinopai Road shortly before 4:30 p.m. Police have arrested a person after threatening phone calls for Titirangi Hospital plunged into lockdown for 5 hours. Titirangi Hospital said it's just before midday on Thursday it received a threatening phone call from the member of the public. The hospital has been locked down as a precaution. Armed officers were each at entrance stopping visitors from entering. Let's bring in Harper, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Harper. What do we know? Okay, Harper Scott. Thank you. A person has been seriously injured after a fall down at a Wellington Central lift ship. The incident happened at about 6:45 on Wednesday. Let's bring in Imogen, who joins me live from Wellington. Good morning, Imogen. What do we know? Okay, Imogen, thank you. Let's just look at the NZ Flight 402. NZ Flight 402 departed at 5:55 and arrived there at 6:52 instead of departing at 6 and instead of arriving at 7:05. Gate for Wellington, Gate 17, Terminal D for Auckland, and Gate 32 for Auckland. Now, the government's electronic spy agency hosted a foreign intelligence spying system for years without the approval of ministers. Let's go live now to political reporter Julie Ducati's at the downtown ferry terminal on Pier 2. Good morning, Juliet. What do we know? Targeting from 2012 to 2020. And Juliet, it's neither here or nor there really. Economic activity rose or fell by a very small fraction of a percent a few months ago. Recession shows government hemming in. So what do we know this morning, Juliet? So, what do we know this morning, Juliet Jacades? So, Juliet, what do we know live this morning? Okay, Juliet Jacades, live from the downtown ferry terminal. Thank you very much. That is Juliet Jacades, live from the downtown ferry terminal. Let's bring in Harper Scott at Britomart now live. Good morning, Harper. There was an interesting story on Auckland trains, and I'm just trying to find it, and I feel like it's not here. Oh, found it. Reopening a section of the Auckland rail line delayed until January, until mid-January 2025. Let's go live now to Harper Scott at Britomart. Good morning, Harper. What do we know? Okay, Harper Scott live at Britomart. Thank you very much. That is Harper Scott live at Britomart. Riley's COVID vaccine is expected to roll out. Riley's COVID vaccine is expected to roll out this morning. Let's bring in Riley 1 correspondent Lulu Tucky, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Lulu. What do we know? Okay, Lulu, thank you. Let's just have a look at some world news. Nothing about Donald Trump. Wellington is expected to be today on top of. Let's just do your weather report for Friday, March 22nd. If I can find it. High cloud in Auckland, 22 the top. Morning fog in Hamilton, 21. Mostly cloudy in Tauranga, 21. 2 layers, partly cloudy in Wellington, 18. Morning cloud clearing in Christchurch, 20. Dunedin with a shower or two from afternoon, 18. It has been revealed Emma Smith has got the award for the best English teacher for 2024. Let's bring in Emma, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Emma. What do we know? Okay, Emma. Thank you. Well, Marley saw someone yesterday. I'm not going to name who I saw yesterday. Let's bring in Oliver Fox, who joins me. Good morning, Oliver. Who did Marley see yesterday? His girl of a friend. I'm not going to put it around the other way. His girl of a friend, but I'm not going to name who she is. And I just want to do a shout out to Ollie. Yes, Ollie and Vinny. Hi, Ollie and Vinny. Just a big shout out to you guys, because you are the best in the crew, I should say. Thank you, Ollie and Vinny. Now, There's nothing to repeat this morning, but except all the criminals. Let's bring in all the TAs who joined me, plus/criminals. Hi TAs, what do we know? Okay, TAs, thank you. Let's bring in Imogen, just Imogen, live from a foggy Hamilton. Good morning, Imogen. A foggy Hamilton this morning. Morning fog in Hamilton. Thank you very much, Imogen. That's Imogen live for us. Let's go live now to Japan, where Jeremy Sutton joins me. Good morning, Jeremy. On Sunday this last week, 7.3, the anniversary of that 7.3 magnitude in Fukushima struck last March 17, 2022, and it's now 3:11 in Japan on this Friday morning. Good morning, Jeremy. Sunday marks 2 years since that deadly earthquake in Japan. I'm just going to play you a bit of... if I can... some footages from that Japan earthquake. So let's, Jeremy, so what do we know this morning? Let's just play you footages. Let's just bring you something. No, that's... So this is 2 years ago, Jeremy. Okay, Jeremy, thank you. We'll just play you some noises now. And that is your news update for today, March 22. I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend.